Dogs are really smart. They're smart enough to understand what we say to them. And also, they're smart enough to understand that they can't say much back to us. They're trying, but they're not very articulate. They can't pronounce anything right. They go like, and they can't say nothing, and it makes them sad. They're so sensitive and they know so many things, and I'm sure they're trying to say stuff like, your new shampoo is weird, or hey, this is my favorite song, or that friend of yours is going to disappoint you one day. But with time, they learn that whatever they say for us sound just like barks, and it makes them very frustrated, so they give up.